Hey YouTube, Joshua here. This is chemistry in 5 minutes. What is chemistry? Chemistry, by definition, is the study of the composition, structure, and properties of substances, as well as the transformations that they undergo. But Joshua, you ask, that's boring. I could have looked that up myself. Well, fine. What's the
Chemistry.
first thing that comes to your head when you think of chemistry? Probably some mad science pizzazz, right? Bad chemicals that burn your face off, radiation, pollution, and all that. We are here to tell you that chemistry is much, much more than random mad science. Everyday objects are related to chemistry some way or another. Like this pen. Or even this drink.
I was drinking that.
But first, we'll cover one of the most important concepts in chemistry, but also one of the smallest in the mole concept. A mole is the amount of a unit of measurement for the amount of a substance. It represents a number, here, which is equal to the amount of atoms in 12 grams of carbon-12. That specific number comes from Avogadro, this dashing young man we've drawn here. He devised the Avogadro's constant, a number that's the amount of particles in a mole of an element or a compound. For example, 1 mole of an element is this many atoms, and 1 mole of a compound is this many molecules. Everything is composed of atoms and molecules, so in a way, you and everything around you is related to chemistry. But Joshua, what do numbers have to do with chemicals? Chemicals can be a real pain, and are real picky in that they all have different tastes of who and what they want to bond with. For example, this is the most basic chemical equation for fire to happen. Carbon can exist just fine on its own, and is our fuel, from your wood to your charcoal. But, see O, which stands for oxygen? Oxygen literally cannot exist in nature alone, so it commonly bonds with another oxygen atom or other elements, like carbon, to keep it stable. You can see this chemical equation in action in real life, from basic spit roast campfire, to engines, to fireworks, all the way up to rockets. All types of compounds and elements in different forms power these babies up so they can reach space. Also, on the topic of power, or better yet, electricity, those work on reactions too. They require an entirely separate video to explain on their own, but for now, trust me when I say, chemistry is quite the shocker when you learn about all the things that need to happen for everyday things to even exist. Heck, even the device that you're on right now is most likely powered by chemistry. There are plenty of videos online that show crazy experiments you can do at home. But remember, just because you can, probably doesn't mean you should.
Chemistry is everywhere. People find it fun, people find it interesting. But most of all, people find it essential to human improvement. We wouldn't have gone this far if we didn't learn about chemistry. The phones, the laptops we're using to watch this on, all chemistry. Let's take a moment to appreciate how important chemistry is to our lives. We explained a bit of the basics, the mole concept, the concept of chemical reactions. Now it's your turn. Go out, to YouTube, anywhere, learn more about chemistry.
That about wraps up chemistry. If you wish to find out more, the internet has tons of information that you can check out for yourself to sate your curiosity. And as always, thanks for watching.